Hey everyone, Sean here, Taranaki, New Zealand. That's where I am today. A place called Stratford. Now I've done this walk, well I've attempted this walk before, but I had to get called away because of computer issue someone was having, and had a friend that was helping me look at it. So I've decided to come back down here and give this another go and maybe get through it and hopefully explore it and see what it's, where it all goes and how it's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous walk. Lots to see, lots to do. I'm also started up Strava, which I normally always forget to start up, but this time I actually started it up, so I'll put that on the end of the video, and then I'll show you how many kilometres and how long it takes. And it's a beautiful walk. A few swing bridges, lots of river stuff, a few old relics to see. Dogs are loving it. There's one of them right there. He's having a bit of a rest. That's Rusty. No one knows who that is by now, and everyone knows this one. My photo bomber. Every time I go to take a photo, he seems to be in it for some reason, so he'll run in front of the camera or do something stupid. His name is Franklin, but most people call him Jerk. He's a bit of a jerk. He's been naughty today. Hope you enjoy the video. I know my videos are sort of boring, trying to make them a bit smaller. But anyway, that's me. Stop it, Franklin. Hey, Rusty. Look at that cave. Look at this cave in here. How far up that goes. Franklin, come on. Franklin.